Good morning, fifth graders, and welcome to Thursday, November 5th. Thank you, first of all, to everyone who showed up for the Zoom meeting yesterday. That was by far our best attended Zoom for my cohort or my group 2, 4, and 6. Thank you guys very much. I think we had 18 and maybe even 19 students at the high point of that meeting. I'm definitely seeing some good results on our test, I think, because of that as well. I still do have some individuals who need to complete that test. I do have some individuals who need to retake that test. Remember, guys, that tomorrow, Friday, is the last day of this quarter, and we need to make sure that we are caught up, especially on those summative assessments, and that we're feeling good about that. So if you are not done with that yet, if you're not comfortable with the score you have, please make sure you're doing that again, and please make sure you're checking with me to make sure that you are being successful on that summative assessment. Today, very straightforward day. There will be some new information. There will be some new things to work on in both folders. So for math today, we're switching gears. There's a little bit of a tie-in. You'll see some fractions on today's lesson. Please make sure you are watching the video first, guys. This is not something where we expect you just to go in and do the green puzzle pieces. We are putting tutorials. We are putting lessons in there to help you see that. There's also, I think, a game in the math folder today that will help you to hopefully understand the concept of how fractions and decimals are the same, how they work together. So please make sure you get in and do the video and the game and then do the exit ticket at the end of that. So take advantage of the tools we give you, kind of like we talked about with the multiplication chart. I don't think it's going to be a really hard lesson today. Hopefully, if you watch the videos, it'll make pretty good sense to you. We're basically taking those fractions and turning them into decimals, and we're starting to get started with the decimal concept and the decimal numbers as we move forward. That's going to be this next unit. For science today, there's a couple more body systems that we're covering, and so just make sure that you are, again, same thing, getting in there and covering the materials, getting in there and seeing what it is, making sure you add an answer to the discussion board that's in there. There's 2 discussion boards that are posted. Just answer them to the best of your ability. There's no necessarily right or wrong answers. We're simply just answering how we would think that should go. And that's there's no real right or wrong. Just get in there and make sure you complete that. Quick reminder, I mentioned this during the Zoom yesterday that I will be gone next Monday. I will have a substitute in here. So if you are a distance learner, that'll be the group of kids that are in with me today on Thursday. If you are a distance learner and you're watching this, please make sure that you understand I will not be available for questions, and I'll let the people who are in class today know that. If you are a distance learner today, Thursday, and you are in school on Monday, it's going to seem a lot more like we're just kind of doing distance learning, but you are in the classroom for that. There will be a teacher in here. There will be somebody to answer questions for you and walk you through the process, but there probably won't be a lot of live in-person teaching going on that day. You're probably just going to be watching the videos that we've put on there for you and then completing the exit tickets as we go through it. So that's kind of the plan for next Monday, and I'll keep reminding you guys in videos. I'll keep reminding you guys as we go through that. Number one job over the next 2 days, guys, is just to make sure we clean up our grade book. If there's something that you see in your grades that are missing, if there is something that you see that is below 70%, please redo it, fix it, try to make it better. Please reach out to me over the next couple of days so we can get you caught up and we can get you feeling comfortable about where that grade 1 or quarter 1 grade is. Okay. Thank you, guys. Like I said, it's been a good quarter. I think we're getting our feet under us. It's been good to see people in class, but let's keep pushing through the end of this. All right. Have a great day. Ask questions if you have them. Thanks.